If I want to send money from United States of America to India, how I can do it simply without any problems or any issues. So please make clear that if you want to send money from any country to any country, like in this video I'm going to send USA to India, then you must have to understand one thing, that there is a lot of platforms by which you can transfer this amount. So you just need to find the best compatible software or the platform where you can use your local bank details, your USA bank details, or from any country you live, and to transfer the money to India. You will need a platform for this. So I'm on mobile right now, and that will be so easy for you if you use it on your phone itself. I have a browser. I will click on my Safari, and here you can see you can choose the best platforms for you. I'm telling you which platform will be the best. The first one is wise.com. Second is Payoneer. Third is Western Union, and the fourth one is Remitly. These four are the best money transfer application or platform internationally. Firstly, I will click on Wise account because that is the widely used application or software by anyone in this world. Scroll down on the Wise application, you will see that you send exactly, you can change or you can know the fees here for the bank transfer. Like if I'm transferring money from US, I'll select US dollar, and other currency I will select Indian rupees. If I want to send $1,000, then the fees will be about $9 plus $7. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. You can transfer money from any country to any destination with the help of Wise, Remitly, or Payoneer. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.